In the last lecture, we have started the next lesson, uh, dividend interest. Dividend and interest. A dividend is a return on the investment. Interest also a return on the investment. People invest money in the company. People invest money in the company, and company return the investment plus extra amount to the investor. The extra amount known as a dividend and interest. But the extra amount known as dividend and interest. In the sole trading concern, one person own, manage, and control the business. So in the sole trader, the whole profit can divide, cannot divide to anybody. The whole profit only enjoyed by the sole trader, single person, and the liability is unlimited. So any loss in business, he are responsible for them. He is responsible for bring the personal asset in the business and cover the loss. In the family business, whole profit divide into family member equally. Whole profit divided into family member equally, and karta liability unlimited and co-personal limited. So it means not require maintain reserve in the family business. In the partnership firm, the profit divide into all partners, and they also bear loss of the organization. फाईनला कोणाला झालं असेल तुम्हाला आता, the whole profit divide into partner as per agri ratio or as equally into partners. As per ratio असेल as equivalent to partners, and they also bear loss of the organization. फायनल अकाउंटमध्ये जर लॉस आला पार्टनरशिपच्या, लॉस ऑल्सो मिनिमाइज फ्रॉम द कॅपिटल करतो आपण. बट इन दी कंपनी इथं ओनरशिप आणि मॅनेजमेंट सेपरेट आहे, and member liability is limited up to unpaid value of shares. So automatically, the company require maintain some reserve, and remaining profit divide into member known as a dividend. तेच दिलं इकडे तुम्हाला. Sales हे जस्ट इज ट्रेडिंग अँड प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट आहे. हे सगळं ट्रेडिंग अँड प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट जस्ट वर्टिकल फॉर्मॅट मध्ये दिलंय फक्त. जस्ट सेल्स लेस एक्सपेन्सेस, परचेस, प्रोडक्शन, मार्केटिंग, ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. तुम्ही जे रेग्युलर अकाउंटिंग मध्ये करता ते होरिझॉन्टल अकाउंटिंग आहे, आणि त्यामध्ये तुम्ही अमाऊंट टॅली करता. तिथं टॅली होत नाही अमाऊंट. इथं जस्ट वर्टिकल फॉर्मॅट मध्ये इथं परफेक्ट फॉर्मॅट अकाउंटिंगचा. सेल्स लेस एक्सपेन्सेस, then get earning before interest and tax, then interest on borrowed capital, then get earning before tax less corporate tax, then earning it after tax. A first paid dividend to preference shareholders. A company first paid dividend to the preference shareholders because they agreed that they enjoy preference over the equity share in the payment of dividend and repayment of capital. After payment of dividend to the preference shares, a company give remaining profit available for equity shareholders. This profit divided in two parts because company liability are separate and member liability is separate. If company bearing the losses, member cannot bring any assets. So company required make provision for the losses, and this provision known as a retained earning. समजतंय का सगळ्यांना? अंडरस्टँड होतं सगळ्यांना? And after provision, if any profit remain, this profit divide into a member known as a dividend. It's the end part of the accounting. Accountingचा end part आहे, so it's a dividend नाव दिलं. A dividend, a definition आहे a distribution to shareholder out of profits or reserve available for this purpose, known as dividend. Basically, dividend is a part of a divisible profit. Is a part of a divisible profit of business. A divisible profit of business company which is distributed to the shareholders. Basically, a dividend is a part of profit decided by the shareholders and paid to the decided by the director and paid to the shareholder, known as dividend. By definition, a dividend is a distribution of portion of company earning decided by the board of directors to a class of shareholders. The two particular types of shareholder paid by company known as a dividend. हे लास्ट लेक्चरला फीचर्स कंप्लीट झाले होते. बेसिकली रिवॉर्ड आहे बिकॉज द लायबिलिटी द बिअर रिस्क ऑफ द ऑर्गनायझेशन, सो इज रिवॉर्ड आहे. इज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, unconditional payments, a rate of dividend, a shareholder sanction, a statutory debts, a paid on, a paid value of shares, a source of dividend, affect the market price, a dividend policy, affecting factors and types, final dividend, interim dividend. In the last, they also cover a source of dividend, a current year profits. The first source is current year profit. Company first use current year profit for the payment of dividend. Then next, if not available current year profit, if not sufficient current year profit, company can use last year profit, means accumulate profit, which is accumulate in the last year, known as accumulate profit or reserve fund. This reserve fund can use for payment of dividend, only free reserve, not a debenture redemption use नाही करायचं. Cannot use a deposit, a repayment, a reserve account, only use a free reserve. Money provided by the government, sometimes state government or central government give the guarantee to the company and the members get dividend. Basically, infrastructure company get money by the government for payment of dividend. Then capital profits. If article give the provision, if article give the provision, a company can sell the old assets, not new asset. Company can resell the assets and earning some profits. If article of association provide provisions, a company can sell their old assets, plant and machinery, a land building, furniture fixtures, tools and equipments, and get some profits. Means selling price more than the book value. That time this profit can use for payment of dividend. But a company cannot use a security premium amount for the payment of dividend. Allowed नाही आहे. Security premium cannot use for the payment of dividend. झालं या लेसन मध्ये आपलं. But next point, a legal provision for declaration of dividend. A legal provision for a declaration of a dividend. But first, a board meeting in the company, a board of directors have proper authority to recommend a rate of dividend to the shareholders. The first point is a legal provision for a declaration of dividend. In the company, a board of directors have proper authority to close the accounts to analyze the profits, and this profit can divide into various segments because they are directors, because they have managing power in the organization. So they arrange a board meeting for recommend a rate of dividend. In the meeting they decide a book closure, dates, a date of AGM, and also open a separate account for dividend. But first we repeat करते board meeting. In the directors, in the company, directors are proper authority for the payment of dividend. They also recommend a rate of dividend. They analyze the annual accounts, calculate the profits, and decide portion for dividend. They decide book closing for dividend, rate, date of AGM. They also open account in the banks for payment of dividend. The next, shareholder approval. If company declare final dividend, basically company when declare final dividend after the account closing, if company declare dividend to its shareholders, that time require approval from the member. So company must arrange annual general meeting. एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी संबंध नाही आहे, फक्त कंपनी डिक्लेअर्ड डिव्हिडंड इन दी annual general meeting, because after the account closing books are set, verified, approved in the AGM. So company must pass resolution, ordinary resolution for payment of dividend. A shareholder can decrease a rate of dividend declared by the board of directors. A shareholder can decrease or reduce a rate of dividend than recommended by board of directors, but cannot increase them. Point सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होते का बघा. In the company, a board of a shareholder can reduce a rate of dividend than recommended by board of directors, but cannot increase them because they don't have power to increase them. They can reduce. once approved by the shareholder, when dividend once approved by the shareholder is compulsory to pay them. So company cannot be revoked. So revoked means cancel. So company must require a paid dividend in particular time limit. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लिअर झालाय का बघा. फर्स्ट बोर्ड मीटिंग झालाय क्लिअर. शेअरहोल्डर अप्रुव्हल. आणि शिकवताना जरा लिहून घेत चला पॉइंट वगैरे. कारण मी जर नंतर तुम्ही मला रिपोर्टिंगला फोन केलात आणि मी क्वेश्चन विचारला तुम्हाला आन्सर येत नाही सांगता बरं तुम्हाला लोकांना. But separate a bank account. A company must open a separate account for depositing amount of dividend. After the AGM, within 5 days after declaration of dividend, a company must open separate a bank account in the scheduled bank and deposit the total amount of dividend within 5 days. क्लियर सगळ्यांना होतंय का. सेपरेट बँक अकाउंट ओपन करायचं आहे विदिन 5 days आफ्टर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ डिव्हिडंड in a scheduled bank an amount transfer of dividend to this account. Then a prohibition of dividend. The prohibition to pay dividend if company fails before payment of dividend, a company must clear all default. Before payment of dividend, a company must clear all default. The default regarding a payment of interest on the deposits, on the debentures or repayments. The company must clear their default. Any amount cannot be unpaid regarding the outstanding interest on deposits, interest on debentures, then also repayment of deposits, a repayment of debenture, a repayment of preferential. Before a default clearing, company cannot pay dividend to the shareholder. Which company fails, which company make default regarding payment of interest on deposits, debentures, a repayment of deposits, a debenture, and preferential, a company cannot issue a dividend to shareholder. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लिअर झालाय का बघा. प्रोहिबिशन टू पे डिव्हिडंड म्हणजे कंपनी मस्ट क्लिअर देअर ओल्ड डिफॉल्ट रिगार्डिंग इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट ऑन डिपॉझिट, डिव्हेंचर, रिडम्पशन. But next, a provision for listed company. टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये तुमच्या बुक्स मध्ये प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट केलेली नाहीये. ते मध्येच ही प्रोविजन घुसवली होती, ते सेपरेट केले मी. तर प्रोविजन फॉर अ लिस्टेड कंपनी, which company listed their securities on the any one stock exchange of India known as a listed company. which companies equity share, debentures, bonds, or preference share are registered on the stock exchange, either Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, or any other stock exchange of India. At present, near about 24 stock exchanges in India. Some are continuing business, some are closed by the SEBI. But at least 24 stock exchanges in India. That time company must follow this provision while a declared dividend. ते follow करायचेच आहेत already. Company must follow already this provision. Board meeting, share approval, a separate bank account, prohibition to pay dividend. But listed company also followed this provision. First provision on notice of board meeting. When company decide recommend a rate of dividend by arranging board meeting, that time this notice of board meeting must inform to the stock exchange at least before 2 days of meeting. Before 2 days of meeting of board meet before 2 days of board meeting, company must issue notice of board meeting to the listed stock exchange before 2 days. And in this notice, company mention a rate of dividend recommended by the board of directors. But next, after the board meeting, company must give the intimation about a declaration of dividend to the stock exchange. Before board meeting must issue the notice, and after meeting must provide intimation about declaration of dividend to company to the stock exchange. But next, but close the books. Notice of closure. A notice for a book closure. A company give the notice of closing the books. Just transfer books. Sure, transfer books. So register of member must close on the payment of dividend. So company must issue notice for closing the books at least before 7 days of closing to listed stock exchange. Point पर समजून घ्या. Company issue notice of book closing at least before 7 days to the listed exchange. कुठले बुक क्लोज करायचे? रजिस्टर ऑफ मेंबर अँड शेअर ट्रान्सफर रजिस्टर. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होत आहे का बघा. But time gap between two books closure and the record date. The time gap between the two book closure and record at least 1 month. At least 1 monthचा गॅप पाहिजे. आता बुक क्लोजर काय आलाय तुम्हाला, बरं रेकॉर्ड डेट म्हणजे काय? कारण टेक्स्टबुकला जर बघितलं तुम्ही, तुम्हाला ब्ल्यू कलर मध्ये तुम्हाला बॉक्स दिलाय आणि त्यामध्ये बुक क्लोजर रेकॉर्ड डेट दिलंय, पण त्याच्यावरती प्रोविजन दिलेली नाही तुम्हाला. वाटलं मी तुम्हाला टेक्स्ट बुक दाखवतो कोण कोण इथं. हे तुमचं टेक्स्ट बुक आहे. या प्रोविजन मला दिले आहेत. फर्स्ट नोटिफाय दिलंय, इंटिमेशन दिलंय, देन अ नोटिस ऑफ बुक क्लोज दिलंय, क्लोज द रजिस्टर ऑफ मेंबर आणि ट्रान्सफर रजिस्टर दिलंय, डायरेक्ट मोड दिलंय आणि डायरेक्ट बघायचं दिलंय तुम्हाला ब्रॅकेटमध्ये बुक क्लोज पॉईंट दिलाय अँड रेकॉर्ड डेट दिलंय आणि त्याची प्रोविजन हे केलंय, डिलीट केलंय ऑटोमॅटिकली. त्याची प्रोविजन अशी आहे, ऍटलीस्ट 1 month गॅप बिटवीन देम. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होते का बघा. रेकॉर्ड डेट इज द कट ऑफ डेट फॉर डिटरमाइनिंग द number of registered member who are eligible for corporate benefit like dividend and bonus shares. आता याची प्रोविजन कुठं भेटेल बघा सांगतो तुम्हाला. तेव्हा मी दुसरं बुक शेअर करतोय, कंपनी लॉ बुक शेअर करतो बुक तुम्हाला इथं. हे CS एक्झिक्युटिव्ह बुक आहे, सगळ्यांना दिसतंय का. CS एक्झिक्युटिव्ह हा लेसन आहे ना, 6 लेसन आहे. अडिशनल प्रॉफिट टॅक्स डिव्हिडंड त्यात त्यांनी दिलाय पॉइंट मध्ये. जे तुम्हाला जे शिकवते ते CS एक्झिक्युटिव्हला सगळं आहे असं आहे. फायनल इंटरिम डिव्हिडंड डेफिनेशन दिलेले आहेत. बघा इथं इन केस ऑफ लिस्टेड कंपनी तुम्हाला दिसतंय का बघा इथं. या प्रोव्हिजन्स आहेत, पब्लिश नोटीस, अ बुक क्लोजर, in the newspaper circling district register office at least 7 days issue करायची notice. Then notice दिस सांगितलंय record date and specify. आणि दिलं का time gap between a two book closure and record date would be at least 30 days. हे तुम्हाला प्रोविजन त्यांनी पुस्तकात दिलेली नाहीये. सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होतं का पॉईंट बघा तो. A time gap between a two book closure and recorded at would be at least 30 days file gap मध्ये. हे स्टॉप करूया शेअरिंग आणि आपलं आहे ते शेअरिंग करूया. बघ क्लोज द बुक कळालाय. टाइम गॅप बिटवीन टू बुक क्लोजर record at least 30 days. Then electronic mode for payments. Electronic mode for payments. If company listed on the stock exchange, if company listed on the stock exchange, a company must be make payment of dividend by using electronic modes. Company must use a payment of dividend by the electronic mode, electronic clearing service, either NFT असेल or any method approved by the RBI. आता NFT म्हणजे मी सांगायची मला गरज आहे का आता. कारण NFT ऑलरेडी कव्हर झालाय तुमच्या ओसी मध्ये. मग NFT असेल, RTGS असेल, IMP असेल, approved by the RBI, bank company can transfer. A per share basis, a listed company has to express the dividend on per share basis only. The listed company declare dividend to express dividend a per share or not whole shares. Only काय per share basis company declare dividend. पूजन समज का सगळ्यांना. प्रोविजन क्लिअर होतात का. लीगल प्रोविजन फॉर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ डिव्हिडंड क्लिअर झालाय. लिस्टेड कंपनी क्लिअर झालाय का सगळ्यांना. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आहे a legal provision for payment of dividend. A legal provision for payment of dividend. paid in cash. Dividend only paid in the cash. Dividend cannot be paid in the any assets or shares. लक्ष करू द्या. Dividend paid in cash. A company declared dividend only in cash. A company cannot declare dividend in the shares, in the debenture, or any other fixed assets. Cannot issue. Only a dividend declare in the cash. म्हणजे कॅश न देता जर तुम्ही असेट दिलात किंवा गुड्स दिला अलाउड नाहीये. ते कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीमध्ये अलाउड, आपल्याकडे अलाउड नाहीये. कंपनीमध्ये अलाउड नाहीये, पण कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीमध्ये अलाउड आहे पेड इन गुड्स मध्ये. डिव्हिडंड ओनली पेड इन कॅश. Dividend cannot be expressed in discount or any assets. Next mode of payments. First warrant. A company use a mode of payment of dividend as a warrant, mandate, or electronic modes. Warrant. A warrant means a check issued by the company to the shareholder for payment of dividend or to the registered address of the shareholder. If any shareholder hold a physical certificate, if any shareholder hold a physical share certificate, that time company issue the dividend warrant for payment of dividend. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लियर होते का बघा. It is a check issued by the company to its shareholders for the payment of dividend or to the registered address of the shareholder. आणि तुम्ही असं समजू नका की हा पार्ट कमी केलेला आहे जे तुम्हाला एक्झामला येणार नाही, कारण हा ऑलरेडी पाहिजे कव्हर केलाय तुम्हाला इकडं. समजतंय का सगळ्यांना? हे पलीकडं म्हणजे सेपरेशन दिलं होतं ते कमी केलं, पण इकडे आहे ठेवलं तर तुम्हाला. म्हणून एसपी ला कुठलाही भाग कमी झालेला नाहीये, तो एक्झामला येणार आहे आपल्याला. कुठलंही ऍझ्युम करून तो अभ्यास करायचा नाही असं करू नका. But next mandates. If any shareholders may wish to get dividend credited directly to the bank accounts. If any shareholder provide any physical shareholder, any registered member provide bank account numbers and give instruction to company transfer money to the bank accounts. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लियर होता का बघा. If shareholder provide bank account number to company and give the instruction to company pay transfer dividend to the bank account without informing him, that time this is known as a dividend mandate. पॉइंट क्लियर झाले का? If shareholder provide bank account number to the company and give the instruction for payment of dividend directly to the bank account known as dividend mandates. So that time banks, that time company directly credited amount of dividend to the shareholder account. But next, electronic modes. In the electronic modes means any instruments approved by the RBI for transferring money by electronic methods, either NFT असेल, RTGS असेल, IMPS असेल, any instrument असेल. But next provision आहे a joint hold of shareholders, a joint holding of shareholders. If any shares held by the joint holders, and as per Company Act, or two or more person can hold the same shares. So that time company pay the dividend whose name first. A company pay the dividend whose name first in the register of member on the share certificate. A point समजून घ्या. If one share hold by many person, that time company pay dividend or to the shareholder whose name first in the register or on the certificate. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लिअर झालाय का? बाकीचे 4 पॉइंट नंतर बघूया आपण. स्टॉप करूया.